Hello everyone, and welcome to part 5 of our English learning series. In this lesson, we will learn 50 important English phrases that you can use in your daily life. Each phrase includes a natural reply, clear pronunciation, and Arabic translation. Just listen, repeat, and practice with me. Are you ready? Let's get started. Can you do me a favor? Can you do me a favor?
Of course. What do you need? Of course. What do you need?
I am studying for my driving test. I am studying for my driving test.
I'm sure you will pass easily. I'm sure you will pass easily.
How long have you been living here? How long have you been living here?
For about 5 years. For about 5 years.
What's your address? What's your address?
I live at 123 Green Street. I live at 123 Green Street.
Is the baseline price flexible? Is the baseline price flexible?
No, the prices here are fixed. No, the prices here are fixed.
I am so sad because I failed the test. I am so sad because I failed the test.
I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that.
Look, it's snowing outside. Look, it's snowing outside.
Really? That's amazing. Really? That's amazing.
Could you take a picture of us, please? Could you take a picture of us, please?
Sure, say cheese. Sure, say cheese.
Are you free on Sunday? Are you free on Sunday?
Yes, I'm free all day. Yes, I'm free all day.
Where can I park my car? Where can I park my car?
There is a parking lot behind the building. There is a parking lot behind the building.
You look amazing today. You look amazing today.
Thank you, that's very kind of you. Thank you, that's very kind of you.
When and where were you born? When and where were you born?
I was born in 1995 in London. I was born in 1995 in London.
Would you like your coffee with milk or sugar? Would you like your coffee with milk or sugar?
Just black, thank you. Just black, thank you.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Call the police. Call the police.
I'm calling them right now. I'm calling them right now.
How long have you been studying English? How long have you been studying English?
For about 2 years. For about 2 years.
Are you with me so far? Are you with me so far?
Yes, I'm following you. Yes, I'm following you.
Are you allergic to any food? Are you allergic to any food?
Yes, I'm allergic to nuts. Yes, I'm allergic to nuts.
Can you ride a bicycle? Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I ride it every morning. Yes, I ride it every morning.
Are you taking any medicine right now? Are you taking any medicine right now?
No, I'm not taking any medicine. No, I'm not taking any medicine.
I have a toothache. I have a toothache.
You should see a dentist. You should see a dentist.
I don't know what to choose. I don't know what to choose.
Let me help you decide. Let me help you decide.
The sun's really strong today. The sun's really strong today.
Yes, we should stay in the shade. Yes, we should stay in the shade.
I don't think this is a good idea. I don't think this is a good idea.
Why? What's wrong with it? Why? What's wrong with it?
It's a bit tricky. It's a bit tricky.
Don't worry, I can help you with it. Don't worry, I can help you with it.
Do you have this in red? Do you have this in red?
Yes, let me get it for you. Yes, let me get it for you.
What is the country like? What is the country like?
It's a very peaceful and beautiful country. It's a very peaceful and beautiful country.
Can you send me your location? Can you send me your location?
Sure, I'll send it via WhatsApp. Sure, I'll send it via WhatsApp.
Could you please pass me the salt? Could you please pass me the salt?
Here you go, anything else? Here you go, anything else?
What's your marital status? What's your marital status?
I am married. I am married.
Did you make a reservation? Did you make a reservation?
Yes, I booked a table for two. Yes, I booked a table for two.
Can you print this document for me? Can you print this document for me?
Sure, how many copies do you need? Sure, how many copies do you need?
In my opinion, this book is very helpful. In my opinion, this book is very helpful.
I agree with you. It's really good. I agree with you. It's really good.
Would you like another slice of cake? Would you like another slice of cake?
No, thank you. I'm full. No, thank you. I'm full.
What's the purpose of your trip? What's the purpose of your trip?
I'm here on vacation. I'm here on vacation.
How much does shipping cost? How much does shipping cost?
Shipping is free for orders over $50. Shipping is free for orders over $50.
When does the flight depart? When does the flight depart?
It departs at midnight. It departs at midnight.
Have you got this in a smaller size? Have you got this in a smaller size?
Certainly, let me check for you. Certainly, let me check for you.
What does he look like? What does he look like?
He's tall and slim. He's tall and slim.
Is there a pharmacy open at this hour? Is there a pharmacy open at this hour?
Yes, the 24-hour pharmacy is down the street. Yes, the 24-hour pharmacy is down the street.
How long will the repair take? How long will the repair take?
It should be ready by tomorrow afternoon. It should be ready by tomorrow afternoon.
May I have your passport, please? May I have your passport, please?
Yes, of course. Here you are. Yes, of course. Here you are.
Which floor is your apartment on? Which floor is your apartment on?
It is on the 3rd floor. It is on the 3rd floor.
Where did you go yesterday? Where did you go yesterday?
I went to my friend's house. I went to my friend's house.
What time is the checkout? What time is the checkout?
Checkout is at 12 p.m. Checkout is at 12 p.m.
What is the speed limit here? What is the speed limit here?
It's 60 kilometers per hour. It's 60 kilometers per hour.
Where is the fitting room? Where is the fitting room?
It's right over there on the left. It's right over there on the left.
Did you pack your bags? Did you pack your bags?
Yes, everything is ready. Yes, everything is ready.
My phone battery is dying. My phone battery is dying.
Here, you can plug it in over there. Here, you can plug it in over there.
Welcome to our home. Welcome to our home.
Thank you for having me. Thank you for having me.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.